Hi guys, back again, the crazy mechanic. We are fitting one of these today. Simple job, don't take long. Well, if you thought we'd just upload the video, show you guys how it's done. Strap rod end, simple operation, just 2 bolts and some threads. This is the vehicle, Mazda 2 template. Right, we're going to get the wheel off, and then we'll be back. Right, we're using a air ratchet, 21mm socket to get the nuts undone. You can use one of these if you're at home doing it on your drive. You don't need all the fancy tools, but that'll do the same job. So, put them somewhere safe, take the wheel off. This is the lead light. You don't need a lead light, but it just helps. And this is what we're changing. Track rod end. See, it's all rusty. MOT failure, track rod end. Before we start work, guys, remember, safety first. So we're going to use one of these, an axle stand. Once you jack your car up, put the axle stand on your car, somewhere on the chassis. So if that jack drops, you're safe. Right, let's get into it. So we're going to pull the pin. We'll not need that, it comes with a new one. Then we're going to get this nut undone. 70mm socket. Loosen the nut. Like that. Before you loosen the nut, which we've just done, loosen the nut, you're going to need a spanner. 22mm spanner to undo the collar nut. Get your spanner underneath. Just push the spanner around, it's undone. Just leave it loose like that. And we're going to undo this nut. You won't need that strap. Then we're going to do a wedge to unfree the track rod end from the vehicle. You can do it with a hammer, like hitting this part. But we've got a fancy tool, so we're going to use it. Split the nut. So we've split it, and what you've got to do next, guys, is count the threads so you can put your new one on. And these vehicles are normally 18 turns, so let's see if it's right. So you're going to spin it round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 turns. That's your old one. Throw that in the bin, it's no good. This is the new one. Pull the castle pin out. This is slightly different, so it comes with a castle nut. So back on again. 18 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's 18 turns. There you go, 18 turns, and it's still loose. And back in the hole. Get your castle nut. Spin your castle nut on. 19mm. Give it a tap with the hammer underneath to make sure it's in, and retighten it. You've got to line this castle pin up. There's a little pin, so what you want to use, 19mm spanner. Push the pin through. That stops the nut coming undone. So, then last job to do, get the spanner and tighten this nut up, strain it up. And that, guys, is how you fit a track rod end. So we fitted the track rod end. Before you tighten everything, come put your wheel on, just check everything's all nice and tight. Safety first. Take your axle stand back out, you won't need that. Line your wheel up. Put your wheel nuts in. This is set torqued. No more play, job done. There you go guys, that's how you fit a track rod end. See you on the next one.